Now, the slowdown in Europe, meanwhile, has dealt a big blow to Tata Steel. The company that operates Corus says that it could take a $1.6 billion hit due to the sluggish demand that it's seeing in the region. Nisha Podar joins in from our Mumbai newsroom with exclusive details. Tell us, Nisha, where's the drag on the company's balance sheet coming from?
Tanya, it's not a big surprise at all because remember last quarter in the month of December, ArcelorMittal, which operates big time in the European markets, had taken a huge write down on their books of over $4 billion. And at that time only it was looking like Tata Steel, which operates in Europe, has large operations there after it bought Corus, that it will have to take a write down. And they have taken a hit of $1.6 billion, and this will bring down their book value tremendously. In fact, will bring down their book value to almost half. Currently, they have 17,500 crores of book value, and this one accounts for about 8,700 crore rupees. So it's a huge knock on the books of Tata Steel. Of course, the operations are not what is being impacted through this, and they are going to report these figures in the end of FY13 figures, which is going to be the results are going to be announced anytime soon. But even though it does not affect the operations and the numbers there, but look at it from the point of view, the statement that Tata Steel has given, and they have said that going forward also they see a bleak picture. 30% demand drawdown has happened from 2007 when they bought Corus. In this year itself, 8% demand down in European markets, and it is not looking like that in the medium term or short term it is going to get any better, and that's the reason why they needed to align their book value according to the market conditions. Now it has two parts, goodwill write down as well as asset write down. They have also said that some bit of asset write down could be on account of South African ferrochrome business as well as Thailand unit, and those two operations are suffering at the moment. So my hunch is that those two account for a little bit of asset write down, while the largest chunk is going to come from the European markets, both goodwill as well as asset write down from there. As far as the book value is concerned, it's come down. As far as stock is concerned, it has been already working or operating below the book value, so I don't know how much of a hit it will take, but it will be definitely negative when it comes to Tata Steel stock tomorrow.